Robin. He's the white bird.
Cool.
Open the white package. Oh, I got another one.
Another one? Wow. Nanny made you a lot of things.
Oh, she's really nice. It's the green bird. Hello.
It's the boomerang one.
We got the bopper and the one that I just opened, the green bird. Now the egg bird.
Oh, wow.
Now the red bird. And now we got the green bird.
My goodness. She sent you a lot.
And a little boomerang.
Wow. That's so cool. There's another one in there?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a letter.
And another one.
And the yellow bird.
Still something else. And the last one is the yellow bird. I got all the angry birds.
Say big thank you.
Thank you. I always said it.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
I'll read you the letter now, okay?